This grand 6-bedroom home is the epitome of comfortable family living. 1.5-story floor plan with multiple living areas offers plenty of room for family and guests. The open plan boasting timber flooring, vaulted ceilings, fireplace and grand mantle. Above a mezzanine level, with 3 bedrooms, overlooks the living space and kitchen, featuring granite tops, stainless steel appliances, island sink and large breakfast bar. This spacious master bedroom and ensuite featuring a jet tub, walk-in shower, his and her vanities, all on the main level.